Hi, and welcome to a video on the application called Session Alive. So today I'm going to show you a walkthrough of the application on how to use it and what it's really good to use for. So to start off, as you notice, that Session Alive is a Microsoft Excel macro. Basically, all you need to do is ensure that you have Microsoft Excel on your computer. Therefore, you don't need to install anything. Therefore, you don't need any special privileges, admin access, etc. This will run silently within Microsoft Excel. Nobody will know that you even have this running. So to start off, double click the application or the workbook and Excel should kick off. You'll have to enable the macro and you'll notice that Session Alive is up and running. So what do you see here? This is the application form. This is where you set your settings and run it, stop it, etc. On the main page, this will allow you to show it, hide the form, meaning that you can hide it from view, and closing it kills the application. So the application itself, some of the items that you need to set are the cursor time interval, which is basically set as a default for 1 minute. That means that at every 1 minute, the cursor will move if there's no activity on your computer. The stop executing is set as a default for 1 hour, meaning that it'll stop executing after it reaches the 1 hour. You can set this to any time you like. You want it to run all day, you want it to run for 25 minutes, etc. The pause cursor and the pause interval, those two items work together, and this is optional. So basically, if you want to run this application for the whole day, and you want it to pause running every, let's say, half an hour or every hour, then you could do that so that you're not showing you're always online or you're always at your computer. Um, so you can set this to 1 hour, and then the pause interval, you can set it for, let's say, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so that it basically shows that you're away for about 10 minutes and then you're back again after that. And every hour it does the same thing. So the first thing that you can do is set your interval, and that is set at 1 minute. To test this, we are going to change it to 10 seconds so that we can show you how this thing runs in 10-second intervals. So you'll notice the total runtime is the time that it's going to count. It's a counter of the interval of how long this is going to run. The time remaining, this is the time that once your cursor stops moving, it'll start to count down backwards from the interval time frame, so which is set to 10 seconds. So you'll notice it's counting down, and as soon as it reaches so you notice that the cursor moved after 10 seconds. And this will continue until it reaches the stop execute, which is set for 1 hour. So you can stop this at any time, or you can let it run so that your cursor is moving every 10 seconds. Then you can hide the form so it's not visible, it's not available, and do other stuff, or work on something else, reading a document, etc. Yet you don't want to kill your session on your computer. If you click on show form, you'll notice that this thing is still running. If you click on stop, this will stop, and reset sets it back. So the sets back to the default settings, which is 1 minute cursor time interval and 1 hour stop execution time. The close form kills the application, meaning that it will unload it, and then show form will bring it back. So that's it, pretty straightforward. So if you want to get access to this application, there's a link below in this video that will show you where you can buy it. And then basically, as we showed you in this video on how to run the application straightforward, all you need is Microsoft Excel, nothing else that you need to install or set up on your computer. Hopefully this video was helpful, and hope you enjoy the application. Thank you.